So today in this video we shall factorize 42a square plus 25a minus 2. So first expression 42a square and the last expression minus 2. Both are same and 42 times 2 mean 84. And we separate it into two parts, that is 28 times 3 mean 84, 28 minus 3 mean 25. So it is plus 28a minus 3a. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So common here is 14a. So remaining 14 times 3 mean 42, a square 1 came, 1 remaining, plus 14 times 2 mean 28 and a already came. And here common minus and nothing common means it is 1. So remaining here 3a plus 2. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 3a plus 2. So 3a plus 2 is common and remaining in the first 14a, in the last minus 1. So 3a plus 2 and 14a minus 1 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.